Workstation Kitchen Sink Accessory Kit by Stylish. Welcome to the future of kitchen convenience. Introducing our premium kitchen accessory kit, where elegance meets functionality. Our kit includes 3 essential tools designed to enhance your culinary workspace: the efficient stainless steel colander, the versatile workstation cutting board, and the space-saving workstation roll-up drying rack. Meet the Workstation Cutting Board A-906. Perfect for both meat and vegetable cutting, preserving your knife's sharpness with every slice. Next, our stylish stainless steel colander A-02. Crafted from premium SUS 304 stainless steel, it offers unmatched corrosion and rust resistance. Designed to fit 16-inch sink openings, this colander simplifies your kitchen tasks and is a breeze to clean. Maximize your space with the Workstation Roll-Up Drying Rack A-902DG. Its heavy-duty construction supports up to 42 pounds. Heat-resistant and rust-resistant,